Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my framed diamond painting kit from Diamond Dots Streetcar, and as I promised, unbox these two beautiful Christmas kits from American brand Make Market that I purchased from Michaels. But we will start with this completed diamond painting kit from Diamond Dots. It is 40 by 50 centimeters. I actually uploaded a very detailed post review, so if you need more detailed information in regards to that, you can watch it. The frame is pretty simple. I purchased it also from Michaels, 40 by 50 centimeters. It is a poster frame. It is pretty light, white color, and acrylic glass. Here it is. So I think that it turned out pretty good. The size was perfect. It fit the frame well, and I am actually planning to give it away as a gift for Christmas. Now let's open these two beautiful diamond painting kits. Let's start with the red truck. um, the name of the kit is Red Truck. I like it the best. I actually purchased 6 diamond painting kits. I showed it in my previous, no, 2 videos ago. So if you want to see all of them, please watch that video. But in today's, we will open 2, Red Truck and Christmas Wreath. This one is my favorite for at this point. So it is on sale, although the original price is $15, $14.99. I purchased it for $9 only because all these kits are on sale. Make Market is an American company. You can see a completed diamond painting on the box. So it's not an original art. This is already a completed diamond painting kit. And this kit contains 27 colors. So let's open and see how it looks inside. So the kit is wrapped in plastic very accurately. And inside there is also, there are the diamonds. So let's start with the canvas. So the kit comes with the canvas, with the instructions. The diamonds are wrapped in the instruction guide, and the tools, the hand gripper, the stylus, wax, the tray, and some Ziploc bags. So we will start with the canvas. Actually, I really love it. I didn't expect it to be horizontal. I actually thought it would be vertical, but I do love the detalization. Even on the canvas, on the design, I can see that it is really very detailed. The resolution is just perfect. Although, yeah, there are not that many details, but still. This size is 40 by 50 centimeters. The name is Red Truck. The kit comes with 27 colors. It is a full round drill diamond painting kit. These symbols are very clear, easily recognizable, as you can see. The glue is poured glue. It is strong, much stronger than my previous from AliExpress. Oh my god. My $20. To tell you the truth, I would better purchase 2 kits from Make Market than the one from AliExpress. Okay. Now let's look at it more detailed. Yeah, beautiful printing. I don't know if this company has the artists that work on their kits, but the resolution is perfect. It is not my first kit from them. I purchased their designs a year ago, also Christmas related. I diamond painted one, and I loved the quality, and I loved the final result. Here's one. I showed it 2 videos ago, just for those who didn't see the red barn. I really like how it turned out, and they still have this design available in Michaels. So this is the design area, the pasting area, and just looking at the canvas, I can say that it would turn out perfect. Detailed, the color blending is great. So now let's look at the diamonds. But by the way, do you see there is a wreath on the car? There is a truck. Maybe there is some Christmas tree or something in there. I just love it. I love it. Here there are the drills. All of them are attached. Unfortunately, they are not sorted out in individual Ziploc bags. But again, in comparison to what I had yesterday, the kit from AliExpress, um, I'm really very impressed with what I see now. All the drills are connected to each other. They're all in numeric order. Great. So here are the drills. The drills are pretty bright. They are all resin drills, and there are no AB diamonds. Let me turn on the flash. So definitely I will I will replace the white color with white ABs. I might also add maybe a red AB, not sure yet. I need to compare the shades. Just I hope that they will be the same. I might also replace green color with AB, but I'm not sure if the shade would match. I replace with ABs only if the shade matches. So all the rest can be left the same, the way they are. Like most likely I will leave all the original drills except of white color. White color will be replaced 100% with ABs, and this green color, this 123, might be replaced with AB. Again, I must match the, I must check if the shades match, and maybe red color. So beautiful, bright, festive drills. Actually the picture should turn out a little bit brighter than it is on the canvas now. So this is the first kit. Let's check the second one. Now let's open the second kit, Christmas wreath. This kit also came with the instructions, with the set of tools. I won't stop on it. Let's look at the canvas. To tell you the truth, out of all 6 kits, I like the design. I like it the least. It looks kind of dull to me when it comes to the colors, but nevertheless, it is cute. So this kit is 40 by 50 centimeters, full round drill diamond painting kit. This kit includes 29 colors. As always, symbols are printed clearly. The glue is poured glue. It is sticky. And that's how the design looks like. So nothing extraordinary, just a Christmas wreath on a dark background. Probably it is hanging on the door. Now let's look at the drills. Actually, I'm very pleasantly surprised because the colors are way brighter than the ones that I saw on the canvas. Um, they look way more festive than the original canvas, and I'm really very happy with it, because one of the reasons why I didn't like this design that much was because of the color shades. As I said, they're way too dull, too gloomy for me. So, but the colors, like the diamond colors, look way more vibrant, and I love it. So as to this kit, I would definitely replace white resin color with white AB, maybe red color as well. I will replace this green shade with AB, maybe yellow ones, not sure yet, but I do love the colors, very bright. So Actually, it was worth purchasing. So that's how it looks. Here it is. 29 colors. So this is it for today. Don't want to make this video too long. So you saw how these kits look unboxed on the canvas and the drill. So if you are thinking on purchasing them, you decide. Here is the canvas. You can also see actually the canvas in the on. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will leave the link to both kits in the description box below. Happy Thanksgiving.